If only from now on, what if everything lives forever? People don't die. Animals don't die. Trees don't die. Bacteria don't die. Many people's first reaction must be that the world is not safe. Overcrowded. The food is not spicy enough. But a world without death, the real horror is not these at all, but from within our own bodies. And it starts there. Our bodies. Every day, approximately 3,300 cells are renewed. The new tissue weighs about 80 grams. Under normal circumstances, those cells that are damaged by aging, it dies naturally through the process of apoptosis. But once everything doesn't die, this process will also stop completely. The average weight of an adult is about 70 kilograms. At the normal rate of cell renewal in our body, it only takes 2 years, double your weight, up to about 140 kilograms. A few more decades, weight can even exceed 1,000 kilograms. Well, in theory, you have achieved immortality, but what about reality? The whole person is like being spread out in a lazy sofa. Can't move. The weight will get heavier. It gets slower and slower, until the bones can't support the weight of the body. You will slowly sink into your own body, trapped in this expanding living shell. Can't move. This is the evolution of the human body, and within 2 years, humans will lose their ability to reproduce completely, even before everyone's appearance changes beyond recognition. Why can't humans have children anymore? After all, overpopulation due to reproduction. Never the worst thing to worry about. Such bad luck. It will also befall all living beings on Earth. Terrestrial animals, within a few months, they become a motionless mass of flesh. At that time, things can get really weird in a zoo. Bacteria and oil-slick plants don't last a day. The population can double if they never die. The rate of reproduction will explode exponentially. In theory, only about 71 recharge are required. The biological matter they form, the Earth's oceans, 1.35 billion cubic kilometers of space, fill it all up. For decades, the oceans will be thicker and warmer. Signs of life abound everywhere. Those larger sea creatures, fish, dolphin, whale, will float helplessly in this clump of life. It will eventually turn into a mass of flesh. It become integrated with the living matter around it. Under normal circumstances, after animals and plants die, carbon in the body returns to the atmosphere and soil. Nourish new life. This is the carbon cycle, but once everything doesn't die, this cycle is completely interrupted. All carbon will be locked in a living organism, layer after layer. The Earth produces about 105 billion tons per year. New organic matter. There's no more decomposition. These substances will continue to accumulate, cover the land and the sea. Just a few decades, Earth's surface, it will be covered by a layer. 1 meter of living tissue completely conceals, and this is far from over. Hundreds of years later, forest, ocean, and all the animals will merge into a giant layer, living layer with breathing, to form a living crust that covers the entire planet. This layer of material keeps thickening, would create a huge squeeze on the Earth's surface, releases various gases stored underground. Oxygen levels in the atmosphere will continue to soar, and the methane released by the buried organisms makes the air extremely unstable, can't breathe at all. A century later, the forest is no more longer the forest we know. It became the afterlife. Hundreds of meters of living growth columns, straight to the sky. We used to be a beautiful blue and green planet. It will become a swollen and pulsating sphere. A world full of immortal organizations. Nothing will rot. Nothing will ever end. All life just grows endlessly. Until then, we live on a planet of flesh and blood. That's the most appropriate title. So next time, when you are looking forward to immortality, think about it. A world without death? Never. Give us true and eternal life. He just made one. A planet full of immortals, and these so-called immortals, none of them are really alive.